Hello, hello, hello. Hi, hello. Hi, everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hi, everyone. I'm back and welcome to my channel. Hello, hello. Hi. I'm back and I miss you all so much. Hi, everyone. This is Jaylo and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is my world. Welcome to Jaylo's world. Hello, everyone. I'm back and first of all, I would like to apologize because it's been a whole month of September that I didn't upload a new video due to technical errors with the audios and also with some of my clips in my video. It won't let me upload any videos due to technical difficulties and I really do apologize for that. But don't worry, I'm back for more videos and thank you so much for watching today. For today's makeup look, I would like to show you how to do the quick and easy way to do this spotlight cut crease eyeshadow makeup look. So please stay tuned and we will do and create this makeup look. Okay, so before we proceed with the makeup tutorial, I read all the messages. Thank you so much for messaging me and asking me why I didn't upload a video, and also for all the comments and also suggestions that you put in the comments and also with your personal message. Thank you so much for the inputs, and some of you guys asking me why I didn't speak in Tagalog. The reason why is because majority of my viewers is from international viewers. They are 64% of people watching me internationally, and there is a 47% of people from the Philippines watching me. So that's the reason why I focus more on speaking English so everyone can understand me. But if you would like me to speak in Tagalog, there is no problem for that. Maybe I can do Taglish once in a while so that we can be easily communicate to each other. And thank you so much for your comment. Alright, so without further ado, let's do the spotlight cut crease makeup look and let's jump into the video. Before we proceed, I'll be using my LA Girl is Smoothing Face Primer. I'll just get pea-sized amount like that and put it all over my face. Then, for my foundation, I'll be using this MAC Fluid Foundation in NC25. I will simply use my fingers to nicely apply the foundation all over my face. And then, right after that, I will also use this damp sponge and also blend this foundation nicely. And then, for my concealer, I'll be using L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. This is in color 305 Ivory. I will put that under my eyes. And also, I will also put more in my nose, in my temples, forehead, and cupid bows and chin. Forehead, not temples, okay? Then I will take my damp sponge once again and I will use the tip of it on the other side to nicely blend the concealer. I love this concealer so much. And then I will take my Eyeshadow final powder and also my small flame brush. I will nicely have my concealer set using this setting powder by Eyeshadow final powder. This is in color Ivory Glow and I really love this so much. And all over my face, I'll be using this L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Base Powder. And this is in the color 200, which is Natural Beige. I really love this color and I will put that all over my face. And then I will take my angle brush and also my Genius blush on powder, and I will put that in the apple of my cheeks like this. I really love this color. And then for my contour, I'll be using this Bling Color contour powder. I will put that here to contour my cheekbones like that. Simply nicely blended with my blush on a while ago. Alright, and also I will not forget to contour my temples and forehead like this. I will not forget my chin as well. I will get my fan brush and also my contour powder once again, and also I will start to contour my nose like this. Now for my eyebrows, I'll be using this Color Gel Pomade Eyebrow Gel. So what I'm going to do is that I will just get a small amount and draw a line in my eyebrows like this. And this is the base or the line that I create for my eyebrows. I'm done with my brows. Now it's time for my eyeshadow. That is what we are waiting for, because I'll show you the quick and easy way to do this cut crease eyeshadow look, which is the spotlight cut crease. So it will be a specific look, which is the spotlight cut crease, and this is the quick and easy way you can do this. So before we start, for the eyeshadow, I'll be using this LA Girl HD eyeshadow primer. I'll put that in my entire portion of my lid like this. And then I will blend it using my fingers like that. I will take the Eyeshadow Final Powder once again and the provided sponge. I will put this under my eyes to bake it a little bit and also to avoid eyeshadow fallouts later. For my eyeshadow, I'll be using this Beauty Glaze Color Fusion Eyeshadow Palette. I will immediately take this color. This is the purplish color on the palette, and I will put that in my crease. I will start on the outer side of my crease, blending upwards, and then also I will put that in the inner corner of my eyes as well, blending upwards as well. Alright, I will go back to the palette, and this time I'll take this pink color. I will put a little bit, and then I will put this color on the outer portion of my crease like that, so that there's a transition blending effect between the pink and the purple. I really love the combination of this color. And then also I will have this blended upwards like that. Okay, I really love it. I will extend it a little bit like that. And also, I will not forget to take this purple once again, and then I will put this color on the lower portion of my
eyes like this near the waterline to nicely connect and blend it together on the upper portion of my eyeshadow.
I will take my concealer once again, the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer once again, and I will grab my small eyeshadow brush and get some concealer and put that in the middle. This will serve as our spotlight, so we need to put that in the middle. There you go. And I will use my fingers once again to nicely blend it.
Alright, and then I will go back and take my eyeshadow palette once again. I will use this yellow shimmery eyeshadow color and put that on the top of the concealer that I put a while ago. This will serve as a spotlight effect, as a cut crease effect on my eyeshadow. I really love the color yellow. That will really blend really nicely with the pink and the purple. And then I will take my powder brush and I will remove the excess fallouts of eyeshadow and also remove the baking effect under my eye. And then I will go back again to my palette and I'll take the pink color. I will blend the pink color with the purple color that I put a while ago so that it will be seemingly beautiful effect as a transition color.
For my eyeliner, I will create a winged look eyeliner and a cat eye wing liner like this. I will extend it a little bit like that and make a wing. And then for my mascara, I'll be using Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. And then for my lashes, I'll be using this Dingsan eyelashes. This is a South Korean eyelash and I really love this so much, so I'll put that in my eyes right now.
For my highlights, I will take this James Charles Morphe eyeshadow palette. I will take this color called Sister. I will put that on the tip of my nose and in the bridge of my nose to highlight, and also in the highest part of my cheekbones to highlight that as well. Also, I will not forget to highlight as well the other side of my cheekbones and blend it like that. Also, I will take more and put that on my brow bone as well to highlight that as well. And of course, I will also highlight my cupid bows and also chin. I will not forget to highlight my forehead a little bit.
Okay, and then for my lips, I'll be using this LA Girl lip liner in color Keep It Spicy. I will overline my lips to create a fuller lip like this. And then for my lipstick, I'll be using L'Oreal Paris Signature Rouge lipstick in color I Choose. Okay, and there you have it. This is the final look. I really love this look.
And alright, time for our hour now.
this is the eyeshadow called Spotlight Cut Crease eyeshadow makeup look, and I hope you like it. This is the quick and easy way for you to do it. So if you would like to copy my look, don't hesitate to do so. You can follow me in Facebook and also in Instagram, and you can tag me in so that I can see the look that you created. And of course, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also like this video and comment down below. What do you think about the makeup look? What makeup look you want me to do next? I really do enjoy this makeup look that we created today. Until the next video, and if you would like to see what makeup look I want to do next time, please do not forget to message me or comment down below. Until the next video, I'm so happy for the video we created today. Thank you so much for watching, and until the next video, goodbye. Stay safe, and also please stay healthy. Goodbye. Mwah.